Hi guys, here is my new next project, the MiG-23 from the manufacturer Dragon, in the scale of 1 to 144. This MiG-23 is the twin sister of the Kfir from my previous model kit building video. Why twin sister, you may ask? Because I started both in the same time and I abandoned both projects in the same time. And yes, this was another abandoned project from me. I started it, and during the building process I found something more interesting model kit to build. Shame on me. Luckily for me and my MiG-23 project, the group build group, which I am a member of, announced that we want together save these dead projects. So the next group build will be Doom and Daunting builds, which is mean I can join to the build with any of my abandoned model kit. And trust me, I have a lot of. I've found photos from the first part of the build on my hard drive. So this video will be a half slideshow, half making of video. Please enjoy. These are OZ mods aftermarket parts. I used a few of them, like the gun, the wheels, the exhaust and the gear bay doors. This MiG-23 not comes with these decals. These are aftermarket ones from the manufacturer HUD, because I want to build a Hungarian MiG. Now let me talk about the Hungarian MiG-23's camouflage. Most of them are yellow and green with light grey or sky blue underbelly, but the patterns are not uniform. The color pattern depends on the history of the specific airplane. Now let me talk about this specific airplane, which is with the side number 11. It was grey when it is arrived in 1979. In 1986 it was sent to Bulgaria to overhaul. When it came back, it was painted as a Bulgarian Flogger with the 6-color camo pattern. But the Hungarian Air Force don't have this 6-color in stock as the Bulgarians. So every time when a panel was serviced on the airplane, the panel was repainted on another color. Around 1992, Hungary's Air Force changed the star-shaped insignia to a wedge-shaped insignia, and they started to use badges on the side of the airplanes. The Hungarian Air Force retired all Floggers in 1997. The number 11 Flogger was exhibited in the Military Technology Park, and someone painted to this color, which is, not authentic. If you want to build a Hungarian MiG-23, you must choose which airplane and which year. I chose the Flogger 11 from the year 1986. These are the last steps before finishing my Flogger. Building this model kit was real fun, I really enjoyed it. In the early 90s, this was a cheap model kit, but I think it doesn't matter that a model kit costs $2 or $200, or it is the most detailed model kit on the market, or just a retro model kit from the 80s. As far as you have great time during building them. And at the end, this is what really counts. And intro.